Council stands Vice Mayor April Aguilar, a figure of excellence and transformative governance. Her path to service was shaped by a foundation of excellence from her early days at the Benedictine Abbey School and the Assumption College of Makati, where she developed her academic and leadership skills. As Vice Mayor, her tenure has been marked by significant contributions to the well-being of Las Piñas residents. Initiatives such as the public columbarium and crematorium, the continuation of the Green Card program, the establishment of the College of Engineering, and the creation of new daycare centers are products of her leadership. Under Vice Mayor Aguilar's stewardship, Las Piñas has achieved notable recognitions, including the prestigious Galing Pook Award, recognition as the cleanest and greenest city in Metro Manila, and accolades from the United Nations for environmental efforts. Her leadership extends beyond projects and awards. It is evident in her day-to-day activities to ensure the progress of the city's public health, education, safety, and sustainable development. Vice Mayor April Aguilar's journey reflects a dedication to the growth of Las Piñas City. Her visionary leadership, underscored by a series of projects and recognitions, continues to pave the way for a brighter future for all Las Piñeros. Please welcome Las Piñas City Vice Mayor April Aguilar.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Maaari na po kayong umupo. Salamat sa napakagandang introduction sa akin. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. To our honorable councilors, tawagin ko po sila isa-isa. Sisimulan ko po sa ating mga konsihal sa District 1, Honorable Councilor Mark Anthony Santos, palakpakan natin. Ang aking mahal sa District 1, ang aking pinsan na si Councilor Filimon Aguilar III. Councilor John Jess Bustamante. Councilor Rex Reguera. Councilors po natin sa District 2, palakpakan po natin si Councilor Ruben Ramos. Councilor Danny Hernandez. Councilor Lord Aguilar. At ang ating SK Councilor, si Ray Angelo Reyes. To our DFCAM CLP School Administration Head, Mr. Ramoncito Jimenez. Distinguished members of the faculty, and most importantly, the graduates of Class 2024, a pleasant good morning to all of you. It is with immense pride and joy that I stand before you today to celebrate the 22nd commencement exercises of the Dr. Filimon Aguilar Memorial College of Las Piñas. This year's theme, DFCAM CLP, 26 years of molding financially and technically ready graduates for local and global deployment, resonates deeply with our shared commitment in providing high-quality education that equips our student with the knowledge and skills necessary to thrive in our ever-evolving world. For over 2 decades, DFCAM CLP has been a beacon of hope and a pillar of excellence in our community, producing academically accomplished graduates. To our graduating class, today marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Your journey has been filled with challenges and triumphs, but through it all, you have demonstrated resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to your dreams. You have made your families, your mentors, and the city of Las Piñas incredibly proud. As you step out into the world, remember that your education is a powerful tool to make a positive impact. Whatever you choose to pursue, the skills and values you have acquired will serve as your foundation. I urge you to remain grounded in the values of integrity, compassion, and community service. Use your talents and knowledge to uplift others, to contribute to the betterment of society, and to be agents of positive change. This coming August 20 will be the 3rd death anniversary of my father, the late Mayor Nene Aguilar, the man who built Las Piñas. So please allow me to pay tribute to him today. Isa sa mga iniwan niyang legasiya, ang pangarap niya makatapos ng kolehiyo ang mga kabataan ng Las Piñas. Matapos magtayo ni Nene Aguilar ng maraming paaralan, pinangarap niya makapagtayo ng kolehiyo. Kaya't nagkaroon tayo ng Dr. Filimon Aguilar Memorial College and Dr. Filimon Aguilar IT. Ang layunin niya ay mabigyan ng mga kabataan ng Las Piñas ng pagkakataon na mabago ang kanilang buhay at maiangat ang kanilang antas ng pamumuhay. Sa loob ng 26 na taon, mula nang sinimula ng aking ama ang programang libreng edukasyon para sa kabataang Las Piñero, nasaksihan natin ang tagumpay ng mga scholar ng bayan ng Las Piñas. Tuloy-tuloy po ang pagkamit ng parangal ng DFCAM-CLP at tuloy-tuloy din po ang pagtaas ng kalidad ng edukasyon ng paaralang ito. For 26 years, Dr. Filimon Aguilar Memorial College of Las Piñas has been a source of knowledge, empowering individuals to explore their passion, cultivate their talents, and unleash their potential. DFCAM-CLP has stood at the forefront of academic excellence. On Nene Aguilar's 3rd death anniversary, I know he is smiling from above, knowing that he is able to make his dreams and your dreams come true. Our local city government takes pride in significant accomplishments in education during this term, in Mayor Mel Aguilar's term. Nagbukas po tayo ng 5 daycare centers ngayong taon, kaya't sa Las Piñas, 108 na po ang ating mga daycare centers. Nagtayo tayo ng bagong 4-story DFCAM-CLP campus extension upang makatanggap tayo ng mga karagdagang estudyante at enrollees ngayong taon. Sinimulan at mahigit na 1 taon nang tinatayo ang ating bagong 10-story College of Engineering kung saan makakapag-aral tayo ng karagdagang 4,000 estudyante ng libre sa kolehiyo. It is our administration's mission to ensure that financial barrier does not and should not hinder a child in his pursuit for knowledge and success. These projects are our commitment to expanding access to education. Education remains to be the top priority under the Tuloy-Tuloy na Serbisyo program of the administration of Mayor Mel Aguilar. To our parents, I extend my heartfelt congratulations and gratitude. Your unwavering support, sacrifices, and encouragement have been instrumental in your children's success. Ang karangalan at tagumpay na ito ay para po sa inyong mga magulang. Palakpakan po natin ang inyong mga magulang. To the faculty and staff of the FCAM CLP, I wish to thank you for your hard work, dedication, and passion for education. You have been the driving force behind the achievement we celebrate today. You have been mentors, guides, and inspiration to our graduates. Kayo po ang katuwang namin ni Mayora Mel sa pagtataguyod ng libreng dekalidad na edukasyon sa Las Piñas. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. To our graduating class, continue to strive for greatness and continue to inspire. The journey ahead may be challenging, but I am confident that you're more than capable of achieving your dreams. Always remember to prioritize kindness, empathy, and integrity in all that you do. Ang tagumpay na inyong nakamit ay bunga ng inyong sakripisyo at pagsisikap. Ito ay magbibigay diin sa kahalagahan ng edukasyon, maghahatid ng pag-asa, at magsisilbing inspirasyon sa ating kapwa Las Piñero. Hangad po namin ni Mayora Mel na maabot ng bawat isa sa inyo ang inyong pinipiling pangarap sa buhay. Dahil ang inyong tagumpay ay karangalang may pagmamalaki ng lungsod na Las Piñas. Alam niyo po, habang tinatawag po lahat ng graduates si Mr. Ramoncito Jimenez, nangingilit po yung luha ko. Kasi para pong ako po yung magulang nyo tsaka si Mayora Mel habang tinatawag po kayo isa-isa. Ganun po talaga ang pakiramdam pag nakagraduate po yung mga estudyante natin ng DFCAM CLP. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay ang Las Piñas, mabuhay ang DFCAM CLP, at congratulations Batch 2024. I'm so proud of all of you.
Thank you very much, Vice Mayor April Aguilar. We truly and sincerely appreciate your presence during momentous occasions of the college. And today, as always, we are reaffirmed of your continuous love and support to our DFCAM CLP.